Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Microsoft Teams in Windows 7. Type Microsoft Teams download in browser search bar. Click Go to download. Click Download for desktop. Open downloaded file. Click Run. Use your Microsoft account. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.